Hey guys, welcome to my channel and this is Sravya. Today we are going to make rice cutlets. The ingredients required to make these cutlets and the quantity are listed below in the description box. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out in the comment section. Do not forget to like and share the video. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon for regular updates. Moving on to the recipe, take a bowl and add rice in it. The proportion of the rice and vegetables totally depends on your preference. I took 4 cups of rice. Add 1 medium-sized carrot, 1 large capsicum and 1 medium-sized onion finely chopped. You can increase or decrease the amount of vegetables as you wish. Now add salt, red chilli powder and egg. As the rice cutlets tend to break easily, adding egg helps in binding. Now add lemon juice, Schezwan sauce, tomato ketchup and start mixing all the ingredients while mashing the rice. Don't go all fancy and start mashing it with a potato masher. Trust me guys, it's a disaster. Okay, after 15 to 20 minutes of hand workout, this is how the mixture looks like. Take small portions of the mixture and make a ball out of it. Place the ball onto your palm and press gently, shaping it into a cutlet. Make cutlets with all the remaining mixture. Let's make another one. It's time to fry the cutlets now. For that, heat a pan and apply some oil on it. Take each cutlet, dip it in a beaten egg and place it directly onto the pan. Let the cutlets cook for about 4 minutes on medium heat. Do not try to move the cutlets. After 4 minutes, flip the cutlets and let them cook on the other side for 4 to 5 more minutes so that the egg in the cutlets gets cooked completely. After 5 minutes, take them out of the pan and serve them hot with tomato ketchup. Thanks for watching guys. Do try making these at your home. Happy cooking. Bye bye.